Hello and welcome to the Adventure Squad's YouTube. Can't believe I'm saying that. Can't even commit to Instagram stories, so this is a big deal. But yeah, we're going to document the camper build. Here she is, Pumpkin the camper. So come on over, let's go see. So she is a 2016 Vivaro, so Vauxhall Vivaro. Not gonna lie, don't really know why we picked her. Mainly because she's orange and we like the colour. Typical gays. No, we did some research. But basically the features we wanted was 3 seats in the front, one for the baby, so we can just like use her as a day run around as well. But also there's a bit of room in the back. We like tight spaces. We have a tiny house. We like tight spaces. Which is there. So we're used to small spaces. So that's the reason we picked that. Disclaimer, before I move on and show you the van and the plans and like I'll sound all amazing like I know what I'm talking about. I don't. I've been a member of some Facebook groups for like a week. 5 days ago we were like, let's buy a van. 2 days later we bought a van. So a little bit of history, if you don't know who we are. If you popped off, take 2. Popped off. Who says popped off? Popped off. I just said popped off. If you've come over from Instagram, then thank you. So basically we are the Adventure Squad, that's what we call ourselves. So I'm Tom and I'll show you Lee later on in the video. And then you've got Parker, our little boy, who we also call Pumpkin. So you've got Pumpkin the van and Pumpkin, our son. We are a same-sex family, obviously. And he is our adopted little boy. And basically we just love going outdoors. We love traveling, we love being out in nature. So that's why we are the Adventure Squad. We love exploring, so woods, the sea, mountains, you name it, we go there. So this is the other half of the Adventure Squad. So what are you going to be doing in the van?
Drinking tea and looking pretty.
So here are the other 2 parts of the Adventure Squad. You've got Parker Pumpkin and you've got Buzzy.
Buzz, where are you?
So yeah, this is the Pumpkin, the real one. Getting round to the plan. So I'm going to show you her insides. No. Show you the insides then. And up. So now it's time to jump on in. Hop little bunnies, hop hop hop, hop little bunnies, hop hop hop, hop little bunnies. As you can see, there's plenty of room to fool about in the van. You can surfboard in the van, look. So we even got some presents. We've got a breakdown kit with a poncho and a high vis. My model is going to model it for me. You're being filmed.
It improves visibility by 69%.
Right, moving on to the serious stuff. As you can see, these YouTube videos aren't going to be helpful to build your van, but it's going to be entertaining. So it's about time I tell you our plans. So the plans for the van, so for the Pumpkin, is quite simple. We want to keep it simple because we are by no means skilled. So come on in. The idea we've got is we're going to have a pull down sofa this side, so like a double. Then we're going to have a small bench seat across here, which it'll be stable all the time, but it'll also act as Pumpkin's bed in the night, so the little one's bed. There'll be a pull down table here, so it'll come down, and that will act as like a seating area then, but it'll also fold back up. At the end then, where the bulkhead is, there'll be a sink and like a kitchen kind of side, and also the bulkhead. We're going to cut a big window out and it's going to have like an opening then and a shut in with some curtains. And yeah, next up. So just so you can envisage what I mean, here's a couple of campers we love and the layout we're kind of going for. And also I'm going to try for the first time panel walls, so with reclaimed wood. And also it's going to have a small little sink like so. I say try panel walls for the first time. I mean trying anything for the first time. I haven't touched a tool since... Well, I have touched a tool. A power tool. A drill or a jigsaw or a sander since GCSE and A-level design and technology. So we shall see. But I have bought them, so have a look. So come on in now to see all the tools that I've bought to do all this stuff. So here are my power tools. So I've got a sander, a jigsaw, and a drill kit. Apparently that's all you need. That's what Facebook tells me. So yeah, should be easy enough.
Yeah, really easy.
This is probably my worst quality, isn't it?
Yeah, he thinks that things are way easier than they are.
So yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Push me and then just touch me till I can get my satisfaction. So next video, the plan, so when you come back, okay, because you're going to come back, and is that there should be windows in the side of the van and also some vinyl murals on the sides. If they're called murals, I don't know. But also I would have done the cleaning and some insulation maybe. If you have managed 5 minutes of me fooling about and basically just talking crap, then thank you. I've just made this video. I've realised that, first of all, I didn't film anything landscape, so it's not going to be great. And also heads are cropped out on some of the videos. But I promise next time, if you all watch this and it gets good views, then part 2 will be edited better. I promise. But anyway, thank you for watching and come back for part 2, please. And hopefully there'll be some progress. Also, if you enjoyed us fooling about on this video and just the jokes, then go and follow us at The Adventure Squad on Instagram.